Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily upload HD videos on TikTok without losing quality. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments, friends. So let us get started with you. If you are facing the problem that when you upload a video to TikTok, you are losing video quality, then I will show you two methods how you can easily solve this problem. Open the TikTok app. After that, you will need to click on the plus sign to add a video. After that, go to your gallery. At the top, tap the video and select the one you would like to add. Next, click Continue. Edit the video as you like. You can put music, stickers, captions, edit the full video for TikTok. And then click Continue. When you're already on this page, you'll need to click on Advanced Options. And this is where you scroll through a little bit and find this option here, which is responsible for preserving the HD quality of the video when you upload it. And this option you will need to enable, as in my case. And thanks to this option, your edited video and TikTok will not lose quality when uploaded to this application. But keep in mind that thanks to this action, your video may take longer to load in TikTok. If that doesn't work for you, you need to go back to TikTok. Then go to your profile. Then click on the three flat ones on the top right. Then Privacy Settings. Scroll down a little bit. Click on Saved Data. And this is where you will need to turn off the Save Data option, like in my case. This option will help you to save higher quality video that you upload. Friends, I hope this video has helped you. You have seen several ways how you can easily upload HD quality videos on TikTok without losing that quality. I really hope this video has helped you. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe and also put your likes under the video and write your comments. Take care, friends.